Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can recover your Trust Wallet key phrase. Now, I believe you already know what I mean by Trust Wallet key phrase, which is the 12 words that is being given to you when you are creating your Trust Wallet account, right? Some people write it down, screenshot it, or save it, and they lose or forget where they saved it, and they are looking for how to retrieve it from their Trust Wallet account. So that is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. But mind you, if you have already maybe lost the phone that you have the Trust Wallet in, there is maybe 101 chances that you are never going to recover the Trust Wallet key phrase. So this is only going to work if you still have your Trust Wallet logged in on your phone. I'm going to show you the settings that you click on to actually recover this key phrase and save it in a safer place that you are never going to lose it. Alright guys, so let me show you how you can actually recover your Trust Wallet key phrase. Just like I told you before, if the wallet is no longer on your phone, then there is 191% chances that you are never going to recover the key phrase. This method is only going to work if you still have the Trust Wallet in your phone and you no longer know where you kept the key phrase that you copied out when you were creating the Trust Wallet account, right? So let's get right into it. This is my Trust Wallet account. So how do I get my Trust Wallet key phrase? First thing I need to do is to click on settings. You can see the settings icon here. I click on settings. When I come to settings, I go to my wallet. You can see here, you can see wallets. I have multiple wallets here, and I've also made a video on how you can have multiple wallets on your Trust Wallet, on one Trust Wallet app, right? So now for me to get my key phrase, all I need to do is to click on these three dots. This is what I want to use for the example. I'll click on these three dots. When I click on these three dots, I'm going to see Google Drive backup, and I'm going to see manual. You can see it, right? So when I click on manual, it's going to show me my password. I need to put my passcode, right? Always make sure that you put your passcode for your Trust Wallet. It helps you to secure your Trust Wallet from people who invade your phone privacy, right? So you can see this is my Trust Wallet key phrase. I don't know if it's showing in this video. In case it's dark, I don't know, but just you've seen how I got to this place. If it's also showing, I'm going to blur out the video, right? So I hope you got value from this video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section. And also don't forget to like this video. Let me know in the comment section if you got value. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Also let me know in the comment section if there's anything you want me to talk about on this channel. Thank you very much.